No gym, no equipment, no one to push you. You're skinny, weak, undisciplined, and you're tired of it. This isn't motivation. This is a full transformation plan from zero. If you're starting calisthenics today with nothing, this video is for you. Start here. Don't skip a second. The 3 hard truths. Before you train, you need to understand these 3 truths. Truth 1. You won't see changes in the mirror for 2 to 3 weeks. Don't quit. Truth 2. Your arms will shake. Your mind will beg you to stop. Don't stop. Truth 3. No one is coming to save you. This journey is your responsibility alone. Most people quit because they want to see visible change before internal change. But calisthenics changes you from the inside out. Your 30-day plan. Let's break down the plan. You'll follow this exact structure every single day. Week 1, the adapt phase. Wall push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 15 reps. Forearm plank, 2 sets of 30 seconds. Negative push-ups, 2 sets of 5 slow descents. Walk or jog in place, 3 minutes. Your goal here is to build the habit. It's not about the reps. It's about consistency. Week 2, the activation phase. Incline push-ups on a bench or a table, 3 sets. Deep squats, 3 sets of 20 reps. Plank, 2 sets of 40 seconds. Dead hangs, if you can find a bar, 30 seconds. Cold rinse after your workout. This is for mental discipline. Start pushing past your comfort zone. No music, no distractions, just silence and suffering. Week 3, the tension phase. Push-ups, 3 sets to failure. Jump squats, 3 sets. Side planks, 30 seconds on each side. Wall sit, 45 seconds. 2-minute shadow boxing or a movement finisher. You're no longer just building a habit. You're building resilience. Week 4, the breakthrough phase. Push-ups plus negative push-ups. Do these as a superset. Bulgarian split squats. Use a chair, 3 sets. Plank to push-up, 3 sets. Hollow hold, 2 sets of 20 seconds. 5-minute silent finisher. No phone, no talking, just you versus the pain. This is where most people quit. But this is also where your true transformation begins. How to know you're growing. You won't grow just from doing reps. You'll grow from showing up when your body says no, controlling your form when your arms shake, finishing when no one is watching. Growth isn't just physical, it's mental. Most people don't lack time, they lack pain tolerance. Tracking your progress. Take a photo of yourself on day 1, day 15, and day 30. Keep a simple log of your reps and sets. But most importantly, track one thing. Did I show up today? Use the 1% rule. Aim to be 1% better every week. Your push-up count goes from 5 to 8 to 12. Your plank goes from 30 seconds to 1 minute. And the mental chatter in your head goes from loud to silent. What to expect emotionally. You're going to feel like it's not working. You'll feel like no one notices. And you'll feel like quitting is easier. Good. That's the path. The person who continues without applause becomes unstoppable. People around you won't understand. Your body will resist. But the discipline you build in these 30 days is foundational. It's not just a workout. It's how you become dangerous. Start today. If you're watching this and you're ready to begin, say it out loud. Day 1, I'm in. Comment it below. Write it in your notebook. Burn it into your mind. 30 days from now, you won't be perfect, but you won't be the same. Subscribe to the Quiet Alpha and return to this video every week to remind yourself of the mission. Train in silence. Let your pain speak. And soon, the mirror will reflect someone you won't even recognize.